Beautiful rocks and a beautiful cock.
We two, we three. 'Cause I alone can never
Nice
do it.
cock.
A riddle.
Maybe there's a clue around here.
I mean, I fucked myself up there, didn't I?